about you. With every breath I take, every minute, no matter what I do, my world is an empty place, like I've been wandering the desert for 1,000 days. Don't know if it's a mirage, but I always see your face. Baby, I'm missing you so much, can't help it, I'm in love. A day without you is like a year without a rain. I need you by my side, don't know how I'll survive. A day without you is like a year without rain. The stars are burning, I hear your voice in my mind. Can't you hear me calling? My heart is yearning like the ocean that's running dry. Catch me, I'm falling, it's like the ground is crumbling underneath my feet. Won't you save me? There's gonna be a monsoon when you get back to me. Oh, baby, I'm missing you so much, can't help it, I'm in love. A day without you is like a year without a rain. I need you by my side, don't know how I'll survive. A day without you is like a year without rain. So let this drought come to an end and make this desert flower again. I need you here, I can't explain, but a day without you is like a year without rain. I'm missing you so much, can't help it, I'm in love. A day without you is like a year without rain. I need you by my side, don't know how I'll survive. A day without you is like a year without rain.
Hey everyone, I hope you liked my new music video. I spent like a lot of time on this and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I also want to say thank you all very much. Yesterday I reached 200 subscribers and I am so thankful for that. And you guys have no idea, that was my goal over the summer, but I never made it, unfortunately. But I made it now, so you know what they say, better late than never. So yeah, thanks again you guys, and I love all of you for subscribing and watching my videos, and it's so amazing, I'm so happy. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and bam, Ashley is out.